Hey there, friend. Is there anything better than the smell of warm ginger cookies filling your house? Preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 Celsius. A warm oven is a happy oven ready for our cookie dough. Now let's get our dry team together. In a medium bowl, we're gonna whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just give that a good whisk so everything's friends and no one gets a salty surprise later. Set that aside. Now for the fun part, the wet ingredients. In our big mixing bowl, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of softened, unsalted butter. To that, we're adding 1 cup of our white sugar. Save that last 1/4 cup for later. It's for a magical, sparkly finish. Let's cream this together until it's light and fluffy. You can use a hand mixer or just some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Now for the star of the show. We're adding 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger. This is what gives it that amazing zingy flavor. Don't be shy with it. Next, a 1/4 cup of rich, dark molasses for that deep caramel-like sweetness. And finally, crack in 1 large egg. Mix it all up until it's one beautiful, glossy brown concoction. It already smells incredible, doesn't it? Okay, time to bring the team together. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Mix on a low speed or fold it in gently with a spatula just until the flour disappears. We want tender cookies, so no overmixing. All right, our dough is ready. It might be a little sticky, and that's okay. Pop it in the fridge for about 15 minutes if you can wait. It makes it easier to handle, but I won't judge if you can't. Now, take that leftover 1/4 cup of white sugar and pour it onto a small plate. Take a tablespoon of dough, roll it into a little ball, and then give it a generous roll in the sugar. Place the little sugar-coated balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper about 2 inches apart. They need their personal space to grow into perfect chewy cookies. Into the oven they go. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. They might still look a little soft in the middle, but that's the secret to a chewy cookie. They'll firm up as they cool. Let them rest on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This is the hardest part, waiting. But trust me, that first bite of a warm, spicy, sugar-crackled ginger cookie is pure bliss. Enjoy them with a glass of cold milk or a cup of hot tea. You totally deserve it. Happy baking!